Here's the way to turn on and off blood oxygen measurements on Apple Watch. Make sure the Health app is installed on your iPhone and the Blood Oxygen app is on your Apple Watch for the supported Apple Watch models shown on the screen. Make sure your watch isn't sitting too low on your wrist. Your watch band should be snug but still comfortable. Keep your watch facing upward and try not to move. Resting your wrist on a table can help. Then tap on Start to measure your blood oxygen on Apple Watch. Wait for 15 seconds, then check your blood oxygen percentage. You can also check blood oxygen in the Health app on your paired iPhone. Under the Summary tab, tap on Show All Health Data and find blood oxygen under Health Data. Once the app is installed on your Apple Watch, you can turn it off and on from the settings. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to the My Watch tab, scroll a bit, and tap blood oxygen. Then enable the toggle to start measuring in the background as well. To turn it off, disable the toggle for blood oxygen measurements. That's it. You can also turn it on and off from the Watch app settings directly on your Apple Watch. Go to the Apple Watch home screen by pressing the digital crown. Tap the Settings app, scroll to the blood oxygen option, and disable the toggle for blood oxygen measurements. Those are all the ways to turn on and off blood oxygen measurements on Apple Watch. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech guide video updates.